In this video, we will discuss a brief introduction to Python. A computer program is a collection of instructions that can be executed by a computer to perform a specific task. Most computer devices require programs to function properly. A computer program is usually written by a computer programmer in a programming language. Python is a high-level programming language designed to be easy to read and simple to implement. It is open source, which means it is free to use, even for commercial applications. Python is considered as a scripting language. Python can be used to develop different applications like web application, graphic user interface based applications, software development applications, scientific and numeric applications, network programming, games and 3D applications, and other business applications. Python has two basic modes. Interactive mode. Interactive mode allows us to type a set of commands only in at the command prompt. Python gives the output when user press enter key. Script mode. We type the set of codes in more than one line in a file and then use the interpreter to execute the complete program from file. In script mode, you write your code in a text file, then saved it with a .py extension which stands for Python. Working in interactive mode is convenient for beginners and for testing small modules of code, as we can test them immediately for each line, while in script mode we can code a program with more numbers of lines and can also save, edit and reuse the code in future use. Character set. Character set in Python consists of valid characters such as alphabet, digits or special characters that are recognized by the library of Python language. Tokens. The smallest individual unit in a program is referred as tokens. Tokens are also known as lexical elements or lexical units. It can be categorized as identifiers, keywords, literals, punctuators, and operators. Keywords. Reserved words that has a specific function in a program. Keywords cannot be used as a variable name. Keywords cannot be used as variable name because by doing so we are trying to assign a new meaning to the keyword, which is not allowed by the language. All keywords are written in lowercase. Keywords are also called reserved words. There are 33 keywords in Python. Constant. A constant is a type of variable whose value cannot be changed. It is helpful to think of constant as containers that hold information which cannot be changed later. Literals are data items that never change their value during the execution of program. These are commonly termed as constants. In Python, there are four types of literals. Integer literals are whole numbers without any fractional part. It may be positive or negative. Floating literal are the fractional numbers. They may be positive or negative. String literals. A string literal is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. We can use both single, double or triple quotes for a string. A character literal is a type of literal in programming for the representation of a single character's value within the source code of a computer program. Variable. A variable is a named location used to store data in the memory. It is helpful to think of a variable as a container that holds data that can be changed later in the program. Variables are the data or values which can change during the execution of a program. It is a name given to the location in memory in which the values is stored during the execution of a program. Rules for defining a variable. A variable name may be combination of alphabets, digits or underscore. Generally, the first character in the variable name is alphabet. Blank spaces cannot be used in a variable name. Variable names are case sensitive. It means small x and capital X is not the same thing in variable name. The name of keywords cannot be used as the name of variable. Operators are tokens that does calculation with designated or given value in an expression. Python operators: arithmetic, logical, comparison, assignment, bitwise and precedence. Operators are used to perform operation on values and variables. The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. Python arithmetic operators include operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, exponent and modulus. All these arithmetic operators in Python are binary operators, which means they operate on two operands. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, floor division. Relational operators are symbols that perform operation on data and return a result as true or false depending on the comparison conditions. There are 6 types of relational operators: equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Each of these operators can be used to compare the values of the variable. The result of each of these operators is either true or false. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Logical operators in Python are used for conditional statements are true or false. Logical operators in Python are and, or, and, not. Logical AND operator. This operator is written as AND. It combines two expressions into one. The resulting expression evaluates to true only both conditions satisfied to true. Logical OR operator. This operator is written as OR. It combines two expressions into one. The resulting expression evaluates to true when either of the conditions satisfies to true. Logical NOT operator. This operator is written as NOT. It works with single expression or operand that it is a unary operator. This operator negates or reserves the truth value of the expression. In other words, if the expression is true, then the use of not expression make it false and vice versa. That's the end.